Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Region Unlock Process. In this video, the device is being remotely serviced by LIL MOBI MECHANIC. The phone has been connected successfully, and the tool is now detecting device information. Current carrier and network restriction data is now being checked before starting the unlock operation. As shown on screen, everything is being done remotely, through professional. No hardware modification. No chip work. Without voiding your device warranty. And no risky physical repair involved. The software is now communicating with the server and processing the unlock request. Please do not disconnect the USB cable or interrupt the connection during the operation. Now the unlock process is running. This method can remove supported country locks, carrier restrictions, and network limitations safely. The process is now reaching the final stage. Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Region Unlock completed successfully. Apart from region unlock services, I also provide remote firmware flashing, account removal such as FRP Lock, My Account, Huawei ID, Demo Mode, and Carrier Unlock. If you require any of these services, you can contact me through Telegram. I will leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.